Kia ora guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm gonna speak about the FreeVision Vilta M. A new stabilizer by FreeVision. I also review on the last tip, as you probably seen, the FreeVision Vilta G, and I'm talking about more about it in deep on the next video. But let's concentrate on FreeVision Vilta M today, and let's have a check which are the features and why the FreeVision Vilta M is that good. Here we go guys, the FreeVision Vilta M comes with this strong case. You can open it, it comes with a lanyard inside. I just put it over there already, and this is the stabilizer. It's very similar to the FreeVision Vilta G, as you can see. The part below, the grip part is very strong, as in the previous one that I reviewed. Here's the stabilizer, so we're gonna fit our phone inside here. As you can see, it's very strong. You can open it and you just stick the phone inside here, making sure that the phone is going to touch here. And then you can fill in different phones, and depends how long is it, so you can regulate the stabilizer from here. So imagine that the phone is longer, has to be in the middle here, so we take it longer like this, and we close it, and the phone is gonna stay here. Let's put it back, and then I want to show you some practical example how to connect the phone. I've been asked last time how can we control our FreeVision without using this button. I mean, is there any other option to control our FreeVision? Yes, there is. There is an app, the FreeVision Vilta app. Here we go guys, here's the stabilizer and then the phone. First of all, I just opened the FreeVision application, and at the same time I'm gonna put the phone on. I can try even with a cover, should be fine. As you can see, yeah, so I put up to the end here, and then I push connect on the application, and then there's something in Chinese here. I press this one, it should be fine. This apparently is asking for the location. Activate it, and then I press connect again. So you need to press the left button on the application. I have no idea what's saying in Chinese, but I just press and it's working. So now it's just connecting the Bluetooth. It's connected. Now I start the stabilizer, pressing the button, and it's already stabilized, as you can see. I press next, and it's quickly explaining. You got the gimbal setting here, so it's in tele-trace switch, advanced setting, gimbal and camera, and then here's the back front camera switch. Here we go. I tried to do just a quick movement normally. Here we go. As you can see, perfect. Center it, perfect. Just turn it a bit, and then you can switch from photo to video. Let's try to take a quick photo. As you can see, photo done. We can regulate the flash from here. You got different flashes, like basically having an option like on your phone, but you got more things to do with the application. So I would recommend to connect the phone to the FreeVision Vilta application. As you can see, as we've seen on the last time, the stabilizing is super. The movement is very smooth, as you can see, super. We can still use, once connected, the button here, like to take a picture. Okay, as you can see, it's taking a picture. And we still use the button, the click, to activate the selfie mode. Let's have a quick check from our last mode. There we go. press this one, and it's changing on selfie, as you can see now. You can see on my face, so if I press it again, it's out from the selfie mode. Nothing more to see, just a quick swipe again, and then let's see how it works. Let's see some footage now. Hopefully this tip was useful for you. If you have any comments, any questions, as usual, you can comment below. It's all for today. Bye bye from London.